right, so these are all the sections to this song. Let's start with the first section. It's going to start with an F chord, moving to a G minor chord. And these aren't bar chords, so these actually should be relatively easy. Well, I kind of lied. The G minor has a slight bar, but let's try it. So you're going to set your index finger, first fret of the B, middle finger, second fret of the G, ring finger, third fret of A, and pinky right underneath that on third fret of the D. You're going to do very staccato strums. So you're going to strum and immediately mute with the side of your hand. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Then you're going to take that shape, basically just take that shape, slide up 2 frets, and now you're going to just take your index and middle finger off and then set your index finger back down so that it's barring the third fret of the B and the G. So it gives you that voicing. All right. So you're going to go. So when you get to the G minor, the strum pattern is up, up, down with a quick staccato mute. So, all right, put that together. All right. All right, then you'll hear a high set of notes. Now what that is, you're setting your ring finger all the way up here on the, what is that, the 15th fret. Way up on the 15th fret, you take your ring finger and you just bar it across the G, the B, and the high E. And the strum pattern for that's going to be down, up, down. And then you kind of do a slide out. Down, up, down. Down, up, down. So here it is all together. Now you notice it doesn't do the high notes every time, so I think it starts and then it does the second time. So it'll be like every other time, I think, most of the time. All right, so that goes on for a while for the verse. And then going into what we could call the pre-chorus. So you're going to be on this riff. Then there's going to be a walk-up of 3 chords, okay? So you're going to basically just take a D shape. I consider this a D shape, and you're going to set your index finger here on the 10th fret of the G, ring finger, 11th fret of the B, and then middle finger, 10th fret of the high E. So that gives you that D shape, and you're going to strum, slide it up 1 fret, and then again so that you end up on the 12th fret. Your index finger and your middle finger are on the 12th fret, and your ring finger's on the 13th fret. All right, so you're going to walk the chords up. So when you get there, down, up, down, up, down, up. One more time. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Now notice I'm also palm muting in there. Down, 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 up, mute. So let's try that. Down, 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 up, mute. One more. So you got down, up with a quick mute. So after you do the first mute, you got another down, up, mute. One more. All right, let's try the next chord. Same strum pattern, down, up, mute, down, up, with a quick mute. All right, so this chord right here, you're going to bar across the 10th fret of the high E through the D. Then you're going to set your ring finger here on the 12th fret of the D and your middle finger on the 11th fret of the B. And you got that same strum pattern. So it's just going to bounce back and forth between these two chords. All right, so let's look at that part going into the next section. I guess we could call this the build at the end of the chorus. So you're bouncing back and forth between those two chords. So it's just going to get a quick down up. Then you're going to go all the way down here to an A minor. Okay. So you're going to bar across the high E through the D again and set your ring finger on the 7th fret of the D. Strum that. Then you're going to move it up a half step. So you just move that shape up 1 fret. And then you're going to set your middle finger down now on the 7th fret of the G. And that gives you just a major chord, a B flat major chord. So you go A minor, B flat major. And you could play one like this. You know, you don't need to bar all of it, but I'm leaving it there because you got to use that on the next chord. To me, it's just more comfortable to leave that barred. But you might be able to get away with something else if you want. So you've got A minor, B flat. Then you're going to slide up here so your index finger is barring across the 10th fret, again, high E through D. And your ring finger should be on the 12th fret if it stays in the same formation. Your ring finger's on 12th fret of the D string. Your pinky will now set down on the 13th fret of the B string. And this is kind of an interesting strum pattern. It's a very suspended sounding chord with a very suspended sounding strum pattern that kind of invokes like a big build up before going back to the verse. So it's down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So I'll do a little slower. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. All right. So you got the one more time. All right. So then it's going to cycle through everything again, right? And you're going to get all the way to that point we were just at again, where you're kind of doing that end strum pattern of the chorus, and we're going to get ready to go into the bridge. So then we got a whole note strum on that chord that I would think I was calling the pre-chorus chord that you walk up to. All right, so you're right there. So 12th fret, index finger 12th fret of the G, ring finger 13th fret of the B, middle finger 12th fret of the high E. And you're just gonna whole note strum it. Just let it ring. Then you're gonna go to the other chord. So that one again was barring across 10th fret, high E through D, ring finger 12th fret of the D, middle finger 11th fret of the B. That's where that one was. And you're going to strum that whole note strum, and you can add an embellishment here. So you take your pinky hammer on pull off on the 13th fret, and then pluck the B string. So on the high E, hammer on pull off, and then pluck the B. And I'm not doing this like exactly how they're doing it. I'm just showing you what they're doing. It's kind of up to you how you want to use it, or if you want to try to listen to it and match it up exactly where they do it. So you got. Just goes back and forth. Okay. So then you're gonna hear another little embellishment that I thought was kind of cool sounding. It's like a. So you're doing 15th fret, and you're just barring the top 2 strings. Then you go to 13th. Then you go to 10th. Then you go to 8th. And if you're on electric, you can probably just do it all with your index finger. It's just hard when you're on acoustic. If you don't have the cutaway. So to get out of this part back into the verse. So to get out of this section, you're going to be strumming between the 2 chords and adding whatever embellishments you want in there. You got. All right, and then you do one more. Then you're going to do this part. Back into that again. And then the song kind of vamps out that way, so it kind of goes back and forth between. Alright, I hope this video helped you get a good start on this song. If you're having trouble strumming on songs like this, please check out my free guitar course on my website. I'll put a link in the description and the pinned top comment for you. Alright, I'll see you on the next video.